So you can see here this is the experiment of electricity to find resistance per unit length of PM means potentiometer wire. It's clear? It is not Pocha Mantri. It's clear? Perhaps Pocha Mantri is not attending the practical class. So to find resistance per unit length of potentiometer wire. Resistance per unit length. What will be the unit, Sagun Agrawal? Resistance per unit length. What will be the unit? Sagun Agrawal को नहीं मालूम. और किसी को मालूम? किसी को मालूम है? सुनिए. So it is ohm per centimeter. Ohm per centimeter. What is the resistance per unit length? It is ohm per centimeter. This is the unit. Now you can see here setup of the circuit diagram will be like this, which will be provided in the question paper. But here plus and minus is not mentioned. All of you remember this. This is not mentioned in the circuit diagram. वो क्या होगा ये तुमको कैसे मालूम चलेगा? So that I am going to explain here. This is cell. यहाँ पर लाइट पड़ रही है, देख रहे होगे. This is the positive of cell and this is the negative side of the cell. It is clear. So the light is falling over this, so that's why it is not clear. लाइट क्या चेंज करें? दिखाई दे रहा होगा. So this is the positive terminal of cell and this is negative terminal of cell. थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं, शायद ठीक हो जाए. Wait, I will change switching off the light. So you can see now. So here this is the positive terminal of battery and this is negative. Current will come out from the positive terminal. This is the eliminator which we will set at the 4 volt. This is the resistance box which is symbolized by capital R. This is emitter which is symbolized by A. This is plug key which is symbolized by K. And here this voltmeter represented by P, symbolized by P, and this is jockey which is symbolized by J. It's clear. Now current comes out from the positive terminal, and current always flows from where to where? From high potential to low potential. Current is flowing from high potential to low potential. Means here current is going in this way. इसलिए यहाँ तो करंट अभी जाएगी नहीं, तभी जाएगी जब चौकी को टच कराएंगे. As you know that voltmeter is a very high resistance instrument. It don't draw any current. What is its purpose? That also you know. It regards the potential difference. While the emitter is a low resistance instrument, it regards the current. So current is flowing from this way, means the potential is dropping in this direction. So potential is dropping in this direction. Potential drop ऐसे होगा. यहाँ का potential अगर 10 volt है, then here it will become 9 volt. Here it will become 5 volt. Here it will become 4.5 volt. Here it will become 3.5 volt. Here it will become 2 volt. It's clear? Here it will become 0. So you can see here एमीटर में इस साइड में हाई पोटेंशियल है, इधर लो पोटेंशियल, एंड हाई पोटेंशियल इज गिवन प्लस साइन, लो पोटेंशियल इज गिवन माइनस साइन। हाई पोटेंशियल को प्लस साइन देते हैं, लो पोटेंशियल को माइनस साइन, therefore this will be plus and this will be minus. It is clear. This you will remember. Here this side will be emitters negative, this side will be emitters positive. की में प्लस माइनस कुछ होता नहीं है, रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स में प्लस माइनस कुछ नहीं होता है। I have to say now voltmeter, as you know that voltmeter is always connected in parallel. It is always connected in parallel. Parallel का मतलब क्या है? Higher potential ends एक point पर, lower potential ends एक point पर. So here it is connected parallel to AB. Voltmeter is connected parallel to AB because you have to regard the potential drop across AB. So this end will be plus because this is at higher potential, this is at lower potential, A is at higher potential, B is at lower potential. So voltmeter का positive ये होगा, and voltmeter का negative क्या होगा? That will be connected to jockey, and jockey is touched at P. jockey को कहाँ टच कराते हैं? P पर टच कराते हैं, P पर इसको टच कराया जाता है। Now how will you make the connection? So this is the circuit diagram and polarity. You understand this circuit diagram and polarity. First you have to set up this circuit diagram in this way. Now I am going to show you all these things. So you can see here. सब लोग इसको देखने की कोशिश करें कैसे हम कनेक्शंस करेंगे। So now all of you see here, all these things are kept here. This is what, this already I told, this is the potentiometer. उनको दिखाई दे रहा होगा कि इसके एक एंड पर A लिखा है, आपको A से स्टार्ट करना, and at the other end it is B. दूसरे एंड पर क्या लिखा है? B. नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, देखने की कोशिश करें। B. Then this is what, this is illuminator. You can see here that day also I have shown you. It is illuminator, and this you have to set for this experiment at 4 volts. So I am setting 4. So at 4 volt I know it is clear. This is illuminator. This is emitter. Emitter you can see its dial. It is recording the strength of the current. Plus and minus are marked here. Its least count is 0.02 ampere. That you can see. If you have not watched the previous videos, then you watch. This is 0.02 ampere. Range is 1 ampere. This is voltmeter. Voltmeter here. Voltmeter range is how much? 3 volt. And least count is 0.05 volt. 0.05 volt. And here there is a error of 1 division. Means अगर तुम्हारी वैल्यू आती है 34 division, what will you take? You will take 33 division. It comes 36 division, you take 35 division. Then you can see here it is plug key. Plug key, it is used to switch on or switch off the current. It is clear. This is resistance box with the help of which you can introduce the integer value resistance. Integer value means resistance in the whole number. 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm by taking out the plugs here. It is clear. This is jockey which is touched in the other end of potentiometer wire. That is potentiometer. This at the end. This is the potentiometer, and these are the connecting wires. And in these connecting wires, one wire is of longer length. You can see here. With this wire, we connect the jockey. With the longer wire, we connect the jockey. Okay. So first of all, you arrange everything according to this. One more thing which I want to tell you, you can see here in सब लोग यहाँ पर देखें. Have you got? See here. Yes. Here you can see that these things are connected in series. हम यहाँ ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं. हम एमीटर को पहले कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, रेजिस्टेंस पास को बाद में, की को हम यहाँ पर कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, की को एकदम बिगिनिंग में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. दैट यू कैन डू, बट in the different year questions you will get the different positions because all are connected in series, therefore you can connect at any point. It is clear? So now see here, how will you set up the circuit, how will you make the connection? So you can see. First of all, you set up everything. So resistance, this is potentiometer, and A is here. Then this is the eliminator. Then after eliminator, there is the resistance here, resistance part. Then emitter. Emitter I have kept in this way. Then key. It's clear. And then here voltmeter and this is jockey. So this is jockey. It is clear. Now you make the connection. So see here. How will you make the connections? You can see. If you see here, there are two wires are taken out from the end A. Two wires are taken out from the end A. हम कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे वायर्स को? ये सब लोग देखें. वायर हरदम हाफ टर्न में कनेक्ट होगा. हम और पास में ले जाते हैं. वायर इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन द हाफ टर्न. ये वायर देख रहे हैं, इसको जस्ट हमने क्या कर दिया है, एक के ऊपर एक ना पड़ी, नहीं तो टाइट नहीं होगा. हमने हाफ टर्न कर दिया. सब लोग देख रहे हैं. Here it is half turn. Have you seen? This is only half turn of the wire. It's clear. So I am showing once again. Trying to show once again. This is half turn. It's clear. And after that, you tied this binding terminal. You tied the binding terminal. It's clear. Now see here, this is tightened. No need to tighten in this way. वो spiral shape में हम wire को नहीं बांधते. Half turn, only half turn. Then one is connected to eliminator's positive. Here also you can see, I am connecting half turn. You can see. ये है, हमने wire को ऐसे दिया. वायर को क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पर हाफ टर्न से कनेक्ट. Everywhere wire will be connected half turn. You can see, because then connection will be tight. In that case, connection will be tight. This is tightly connected. Then from the negative terminal to take out one wire. From negative terminal to take out one wire. This is the wire. Here also half turn. Then what will you do? It is connected to the volt resistance box. Now I will do it quickly. This is connected to resistance box. Half turn. Everywhere half turn. And where will you connect? in between these two binding terminals, ये जो दोनों binding terminal है उनके बीच में, yes, सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. And sometimes this wire comes in contact of this, तो ये ना होना चाहिए, इसके contact में नहीं आना चाहिए. So you have connected tightly. Then you take out one wire from here. From the resistance box, negates. Resistance box other term. Now see here, after this what will you do? You connect the wire which you have taken from resistance box with the negative. All of you remember this. You will connect with negative, not with the positive. So here it is connected with negative. Then from this to plus P. This is plus P. And the other end of plus P with the end B. Other end will be connected to the B. That I will connect. Now this side circuit is complete, and this side circuit is complete, and circuit is complete. Therefore, what will happen? It will start showing deflection. Have you seen? It will start showing deflection. इससे देखो deflection आने लगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये साइड का सर्किट कंप्लीट हुआ, इसलिए
सर स्क्रीन पे केवल बोर्ड दिख रहा है.
वो तुम्हारे सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो अपने सिस्टम में ठीक करो, वहां कोई प्रॉब्लम.
यस सर.
सबको दिखाई दे रहा है?
हाँ सर.
यस सर.
कुछ दिक्कत है इनको. Now see here, now this wire which you have taken out from E, this will be connected to the voltmeter K5. Voltmeter K5. That I will connect. Use करना टाइट नहीं. Then with this wire, you will connect this with the longest wire. You will connect with the negative of voltmeter and then with the job. Yes. So I am trying to show you once again. All these you can see here. Let me adjust the camera. सबको दिखाई दे रहा होगा यहाँ पर.
हाँ सर, अब थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है.
है.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है. आपका स्टूल थोड़ा दिख रहा है बस. हाँ हाँ अब.
Yes. This way I have made the connection. I am trying to show you. इसको एक मिनट ओके, लोगों को हम दिखा सकें कैसे कनेक्शन किए.
ये सर दिख रहा है।
You can see here from the end A, the wire which is taken out is connected to what? It is connected to eliminators plus.
एलिमिनेट
Eliminator के माइनस से जो वायर निकाला है, the wire which is taken out from the eliminators negative. You can see here. It is connected to resistance box. Here you can see here it is connected to resistance box. It's clear the wire which is coming from eliminators negative. Then from resistance box के दूसरे टर्मिनल से वो एमीटर के नेगेटिव. You can see.
सर ये कितना रेजिस्टेंस के कैप पे जुड़ा है?
जैसे रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स के नेगेटिव से हमने क्या किया है, ये कनेक्ट किया. देन एमीटर के नेगेटिव से, देन फ्रॉम एमीटर्स पॉजिटिव इट इज कनेक्टेड टू की प्लग की, एंड देन फ्रॉम प्लग की इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द एंड बी. Here in this side, the wire which we have taken out, it is connected to voltmeter positive. From voltmeter negative, it is connected to jockey. You can see here, and jockey will be touched here at the end B. Jockey will be touched at the end B at 100 centimeter mark. It is clear. So now I'm going to fix this once again. And then how will you take the observation? You can see.
सर को कितने रेजिस्टेंस के कैप से जुड़ा है वायर?
Now see here. Now after this, what will you do? In resistance box, you introduce one. Record the emitter reading and then touch the jockey at 100 centimeter mark at B. Record the voltmeter reading. After that, you take out 2 ohm from here. You introduce 2 ohm here. Record the emitter reading from here, and by touching the jockey, record the voltmeter reading. In this way, we can do for these values of capital R. But care should be taken that rest of the plug keys in the resistance box should be tightly fixed. Rest of the keys in the resistance box should be tightly fixed. Otherwise, what will happen? It will introduce the error. There will be some external resistance created due to the error. Now here, I am going to take the observation and trying to show you also. You can see here. सब लोगों को थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना है, जितना संभव हो सकता है दिखाने की कोशिश करें. See here first of all you ensure that all the keys should be tightly fixed. सभी कीज क्या हो टाइटली लगी हो, कोई एयर ना हो, इसलिए इसको प्रेस करते रहें. Now you have to introduce 1 ohm. So what will you do? You take out 1 ohm plug key from here. You can see here 1 ohm is written. If I try to show you, this 1 ohm is written. It's clear. So we will take out 1 ohm plug key. Taken out 1 ohm plug key. And we will record the value in division. So the division में record करना क्या है? Nothing outside. There are how many divisions here? So you can see here 0.2 में कितने divisions हैं? 10. Here I am bringing it nearer to the 0.2 में कितने डिविजन्स हैं? 10, 0.4 में 20 and then how many divisions? It is 28 division. But there is an error of 0.1 division, so you take 27. Emitters reading it 27 division. Now you see the voltmeter reading. Voltmeter reading क्या है? You can see. Here it is exactly 2 volt. It is exactly 2 volt. It's clear? Emitters reading in 28 division and this is exactly 2 volt. So that I will write here. 28 and this is 2. Now after this, you will introduce 2. How will you introduce 2? 2 ohm का प्लग की यहाँ से पॉइंट निकाल 1 ohm की जगह पर लगा दे. Now see here, rest of all the keys should be tightly fixed. See the emitter reading. If you see here emitter reading is 23 divisions. Have you seen? There are how many divisions? 23 divisions. अगर देखो तो ये कितना है? 23 divisions. It's clear. Here it is slightly deflecting because of the voltage fluctuation. So it is 24 division. When you will, there is one division error, so you will take 23. Now voltmeter reading is here. So if I see here, it is 1.5 के आगे कितने divisions? 4. So 1.5 तक 30 division, 34 division. Have you seen it in 34 division? 0.5 तक 10, 1 तक 20, 1.5 तक 30, and then it is 34 division. It is 34 division. While emitters reading is 23 division. Emitters reading 23 and this is 34. Then you can see 3 volt. For 3 volt you take out 1 and 2. 1 and 2 both have been taken out. 1 भी निकाल दिया, 2 भी निकाल. Now क्या emitters reading? Emitters reading is 21 division. You can see. पर एक डिवीजन कम करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 20. Emitters reading is 20. What is voltmeters reading here? You touch the jockey here. Jockey I am touching at the end B. You can see and see here. So it is exactly 1.5. तो यहाँ डिवीजन नहीं काउंट करेंगे क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली रीडिंग 1.5 पर है. Therefore we take 1.5. This is 1.5. जहां पर एग्जैक्टली आ रही बिकॉज लास्ट में हमको एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू लिखनी. Then 4 ohm, 2 and 2 has been taken out. Emitter reading, if you see, this is 19 division. Emitter reading 19, but 1 division error, therefore it is 80. What is the voltmeters reading? It is how many divisions here? 28. It is 28 division. It's clear. So it is 18 division and here it is 28 at 4. Now for 5 ohm, what will you do? You take out 5 ohm. You take out 5. You don't take out 2 to 1. Take out 5. Are you taken out 5? When 5 ohm is taken out, what is the emitters reading? Here you can see it is 17 division. 17 means 1 division error, so it is 16 division. Now what is voltmeters reading? and touching the rocky. So it is 1.25. You can see here. It is exactly midway between 1 and 1.5. This is 1.25. 1.25. It's clear? Because exactly midway between 1 and 1.2, 1.5. So 1.25. So this way you can find the reading. Now after this, what will you do? So you see here on the board. Now, how will you do further? We will convert them into exact values. So emitters least count is 0.02. Its least count is 0.05. So 28 to the 0.56 ion ampere at 2 volt. Then 23 to the 46, 0.46. Then 20 into 2.4. 18 to the 0.36. And then 16 to the 0.32. It's clear? Now similarly, this is 2 volt, it is already at 2 volt. 34 into 5, so it will be equal to what? 5 4 ja 20 to 1.0. This is 2.00 volt. This is 1.5 volt. Then 28 into 0.05, it is 1.4. And this is 1.25. After this, what will you do? You will plot the graph of V versus I. You will plot the graph of V versus I. Here, plotting of graph I will not show in this, but explaining for this, you can plot the graph. Here you will plot the graph. V here and I here. So you will get the 5 points. You draw the best fit line. Best fit line means which passes through maximum number of plotted points. Passing through maximum number of plotted points. वो लाइन जो maximum number of plotted points से pass. हमने ऐसे भी ट्रा कर दिया है. तुम लोग तो प्लॉट करके ट्रा. It is passing through maximum number of plotted points. Now after this, you will find out the slope. How will you find out the slope? Slope is found by using two unknown points. By using two unknown points means other than the plotted points. Plotted points के अलावा वो भी दूर होने चाहिए. हमने मुलाकात हो गई. क्लास लेते हैं. So you can see, you can find the values. This V1, V2, I1. Now slope equals to V2 minus V1 upon I2 minus I1. Now all of you see here, this slope will be the, as we know that slope of VI graph, it gives the resistance. और ये कितने वायर का रेजिस्टेंस देगा? ये 100 सेंटीमीटर वायर का रेजिस्टेंस देगा. Slope of VI graph is the resistance. So this is the resistance of slope will be equal to here resistance of 100 centimeter, length half to 10 meter wire. Therefore, what will be the resistance per unit length? जो resistance ये आएगा, suppose ये capital R है, so capital R and take this as small m. It will be equal to small m upon 100 ohm per centimeter. So the observations I have given, you will complete and write this in your practical notebook. Is clear?